If you're seeing Epic Games error code 4177, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes step by step. This error is often caused by a corrupted web cache, a permissions issue, or even a network problem. And the good news is that you can usually get back into the Epic Games launcher without needing any complicated tools. So stay with me, follow along carefully, and by the end of this tutorial, you should have a much better chance of fixing the problem fast. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. The first and most likely fix is to clear the Epic Games web cache. This is one of the most common reasons the launcher can stop working properly, especially if certain files inside the cache become damaged or outdated. To do this, first make sure the Epic Games launcher is completely closed. Don't just click the X in the corner, because it may still be running in the background. Check your system tray near the clock, right-click the Epic Games icon, and choose Exit so the app fully shuts down. Once Epic Games is fully closed, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will take you straight into your local app data folder, where Epic stores launcher files on your PC. From there, look for the Epic Games launcher folder, then open the save folder inside it. Inside saved, you should see a folder named web cache. This is the folder we want to remove. Right-click the web cache folder and delete it. If you see more than one web cache folder, you can remove those as well, since they are usually safe to rebuild when the launcher restarts. After deleting the cache, restart your computer. This step is important because it helps clear any temporary launcher processes still running in memory. Once your PC comes back on, open the Epic Games launcher again and check whether error code 4177 is gone. In many cases, this alone solves the issue and the launcher starts working normally again. If the error is still happening, the next thing to try is running Epic Games as an administrator. Sometimes the launcher gets blocked by Windows permissions, especially if it needs to update files, verify installations, or load account information properly. To do this, find the Epic Games launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it, then select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. After that, see if the launcher opens without the 4177 error. If it works, you can use this as a temporary workaround, and in some cases, it may be a sign that the launcher just needs elevated permissions to function correctly. Now, if you're still stuck, the last major thing to check is your network connection and VPN settings. Epic Games errors can sometimes appear when the launcher has trouble connecting to its servers. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again, because VPNs can sometimes interfere with login or launcher communication. Also, if your normal internet connection is having trouble, try switching to a different network. For example, you can test a mobile hotspot just to see whether the launcher connects properly on another internet source. This is a very useful way to figure out whether the issue is with your device or with your connection. After testing those steps, reopen the Epic Games launcher and see if the error has cleared. If it loads normally, then you've successfully fixed Epic Games error code 4177. If not, you may need to repeat the cache clear step or check whether your firewall, antivirus, or system settings are blocking the launcher. But in most cases, clearing the web cache, running as administrator, and checking your network will solve the problem. If this guide helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy PC fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.